their species.
Mm-hmm.
Bluegills.
Bluegills.
We have walleyes.
Oh.
This big guy back here is a bass.
Oh.
Let me see. This little guy right here is a crappie. We have little tiny baby bluegills too. And then, oh my god, crappies, sorry. And then I have a couple more. This is a bowfin.
Oh, wow.
And I don't know where the buffalo just went. He's zooming. The buffalo's that big one you took the video of.
That one?
No.
Oh.
Where'd it go? This guy. He's a buffalo.
Oh,
Yeah.
buffalo first. Thank you. I appreciate you.
He's my favorite.
Yeah, she's beautiful. He or she?
I don't know if he's a he or she.
Wow. Thank you. Now I know their names. I mean species.
Yeah. And then there's one other. I can't see behind them though. Oh, this is our carp back here. You can barely see him.
He's hiding.
He is hiding, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You memorized them all.